Here's a tutorial on how to play animal blocks. Follow me, I already did this tutorial. So, I'll give you in first person. So when we're right here, we want to go that way. And actually, we need to keep on, put one hand on these footprints. It's okay if we skip. And we can stop on the green. Next. Once we're in this area, this guy, we gotta press B and choose a pistol. I don't know how to remove them. Someone give me a tutorial. Someone give me a tutorial on how to remove these from your hand. And also, yeah. I also don't know how to do this. Bro. And look at you. Is this camera? Where's that in? What's in there? I'm just gonna hold this for the rest of the game. Oh! I forgot to mention. You could also hold on to blocks. Gorilla Tag does not have that feature. You can just click any move and get the coins. Next, you could go into the rivals hobby and just see a bit.